Cześć! Let's conjugate the verb to be, Polish być, infinitive, in the present tense. It's an irregular verb. Singular forms for the first, second and third person. Ja, I, jestem, I am, ty, you, jesteś, you are, on, ona, ono, he, she, it, jest, on, for example, pan, ona, pani. Plural forms. My, we, jesteśmy, we are. Wy, plural you, jesteście, you are. Oni, one, they, są. Irregular form. Oni, if there is at least one male in the group. Because each of these forms is characteristic for the very person, we often omit the subject, especially when we speak. Now look at these forms again and think if you have seen or heard them before. Jestem, jesteś, jest. Jesteśmy, jesteście, są. Examples? Jestem Kasia. I'm Kasia. Gdzie jesteś? Where are you? Co to jest? What is it? Jesteśmy w Polsce. We are in Poland. Jesteście głodni? Are you hungry? Oni są tutaj. They are here.